Novel Karukku Karukku is written by Pama. It is translated by Lakshmi. Actually, the original text was written in Mountain Tamil, and Bama is a Dalit Christian woman, and the story Karuk is also having the issues and problems of Dalit, especially Dalit women. Dalit do not want to have works written about them by upper class community or others. That is why Dalit literature is very significant, that is being written by Dalits themselves. They don't want sympathy or any portrayal of them by others, because if Dalits are portrayed by others, there we can't find the exact element. What do they face, what do they overcome in their life. That is why Dalits do not want to get referenced, or they do not want to get explained, or they do not want to get exhibited by others. They don't want a spokesperson. There may be some other people, they speak about others, they are called spokesperson, spokesperson from other community. So they say that they have their own capacity, their own ability to speak about themselves, so they don't need any other spokespersons. Karukku is an autobiography. Pama derived a special identity from this book. After the book, Bama became known as Karukku Bama. That is what the novel derived special identity as a writer and a Dalit activist for Pama after Karuk. The word Karuk doesn't appear anywhere in that book, and the word means the leaves of palmaria tree, that you know that a palm like tree, the leaves of that tree you have seen. Those leaves, like palm leaves, they have both the edges very sharp, and that is like sword. When you peel it out, you can see that Karuk, that particular leaf is like a sword. That is why she has used that title for that word as the name of the novel, and you can't see anywhere the word in this novel. Sharp cutting leaves, trees used as weapons. Though see, this novel is a weapon to show us or to attack the problems faced by Dalit community. The characters are mainly belonging to Parayan community, a particular community. They are fighting for their land, that is mainly owned by Naikar community. So there we can see the struggle between two category or two community of people, upper caste and lower caste people, upper class and lower class people. So the Naikars and Parayans. Naikars are the owners of the land. They have been exploiting Parayas for centuries, because Parayas are supposed to work in Naikars farms, Naikars lands, and they are not well paid and they are exploited. So this is a struggle of Parayas for the emancipation, for the liberty, to become self-reliant. No legal supports are given to Parayas. They are always accused by police, and the police always police always demand bribe. That is not possible for pariahs. That is why they are not putting forth any cases or any other legal movement against Naikar. Actually, Bama was born. Bama was a Dalit Christian. She wanted to become a nun, and she joined in a convent. But she leaves the convent for supporting the poor people, for educating poor people. They belong to Dalit community, Paraya community especially. Uh, the novel deals with the problem, and it has 9 chapters that we need to study. By reading the 9 chapters, by going through the 9 chapters, we can get an exact picture of the real issues faced by a lower class community, and how are the people treated in the crucial scenario of caste discrimination that we see in South India, in Tamil Nadu. So the oppression of the people is visualized well in the novel. Now you need to read the novel if possible, that I have already shared, or you need to go through the chapters. I have assigned the chapter. You need to go through the chapter and prepare a presentation for that particular topic. In addition to 9 chapters, I have also given introduction and conclusion, and one of the questions to you to present. So we need to make a presentation video like this. Now I am using YouTube Live. You can use your mobile phone to capture the video, and what do you need to do is talk about the topic that is assigned to you, a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. Some of you are given small chapters, no problem, you can add your own points. By reading introduction and conclusion, you get a exact idea of that, and you need to present. After your presentation, we can compile all the videos, and we can make a visual classroom or a visual class, a video for the novel Karuk. This is a famous novel, so we will get a lot of viewership for your video when it's uploaded to the YouTube channel of English department, and it will be an activity. It can be considered as a seminar or a an academic activity that will encourage you and that will enrich your skill in this kind of scenarios. And we know that we must switch on to online teaching, online learning, online classroom methodologies. So I have given an introduction and a starting point to the novel. You need to go through the detailed aspects of the novel, and once you are ready, you can inform me. We will move on to the recording of the videos, and I think within 2 days we can complete all the process, and we can upload the videos to the YouTube channel. The video will be chapter wise, and it will be very useful for the students of other colleges, and this is also given as a subject to many of the university. So many of the people will be searching for the explanation or analysis and summaries for this. I have already sent you a video that is posted by IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. They have this for their study. So many people will be seeking for your presentation. So you must be presenting well, that I know. So prepare it and present. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So right now I am leaving. Thank you. So do it well. All the best.